Hello and welcome back to another video. And man, am I finally back and able to actually work on SandBlocks now. It's insane. So, you're probably wondering, where have I been gone? I have been working on SandBlocks, basically. Obviously, it's not to the point where it's like the Unity version where it's just like all awesome with like shaders and not shaders but like shininess and big map and whatnot. But honestly, after a few weeks ish, I could probably get there somehow, maybe. But yeah, that's where I've been for most of this year until now, and I just thought about having you catch up to what I am working on. So, without further ado, let's run this, shall we? I will go over how I did this and all that stuff, but let's start this. So, oh my god, okay. This is not what you remember from the other games. The other versions. But it's because this has nothing to do with my code. This is more of Blender being weird when I was trying to create this map in a way. But what I can do now, which is great, is able to import models. So I have got this map right here, right? This is just a model. And then I also got, excuse it being on the inside of the thing, but this is basically a gun. Not created by me. This is more of this is the Counter-Strike Zeus gun, which I don't know. I was fondling around with making Counter-Strike skins, so this is what I thought just by importing this in. The lighting is weird because I followed a tutorial created by this person called Victor Gordon. Definitely, yeah, that Victor Gordon, and he showed me all of this, like how to do all of this. And since he was using lighting that was, I think it was like per triangle or something like that, it came out like this. But definitely in the future I'm gonna fix on that and then make it even more smoother than it already is currently. So that is, that's not all of it, but that's a bit of it. Okay. And then I've also got this right here, the IMGUI interface. So what I'm first gonna do is create the game. Obviously, that's the main priority of this whole project, is to create the game and release on Steam. But then afterwards, once I've created the game, I do want to have it so that I can turn it into a game engine, which is my dream, just to be able to create my own engine. Because if you don't remember, if you watch my previous devlogs, I quit using Unity because of the pricing changes and also the fact that I didn't want it to do this anymore. C# was great and all, but I really want to delve into C++ and start doing more of that instead. It's a pain, of course. It's gonna be a pain. It's like a very, very low level programming language, but if that's what I want to do, that's what I want to do. Yeah. So and this is what I have so far right now. So I've got the models, I've got the skybox too. You can see all that. The skybox is also not that good. I kind of overestimated on where the clouds would be, so they're a bit higher up than usual. But I've also got, like I said previously, I got the IMGUI interface. I will probably change that out later on, because I want to first make the game, and then I want to recreate this interface again. But I can also go into wireframe mode, so you can see each vertex and whatnot of it, of the model. So you can see like the like the corners and like whatnot of the model and like the skybox and stuff. And there is also there's also a play music sound, but I imported in copyright music, so I don't know. Don't really want to play that right now. So yeah, that's basically it. But honestly, yeah, that's basically what I've done. My next priority now is to get the physics working, which is also going to be quite the pain because I'm either going to have to write my own with the help of ChatGPT, of course. I can't do that on my own. I'm way too dumb. Or maybe use an existing library of sorts, but that also seems kind of hard to set up and stuff, so yeah, it's going to be weird. And I really want this to have been uploaded to Steam like around August. I don't really care if the game is not finished, if it looks like in this state right now of how horrible it looks. I don't really care. As long as I have something to show for it, that's all I care about, honestly. That's all I wanted to do, is to show my work off and actually show people what I am into and what I want this to turn into, and hopefully in the future, and I know this is a bit of a stretch, but once I do make the engine, which will take a while, but once I do it, I really do want to allow that engine to be used by other people as well, so that they can also create their games using my engine as well. Obviously not right now. I mean, I don't think you can create you probably couldn't even create you couldn't even create anything in this right now. It's all just bland. But definitely later on, I really want this to be an engine that people can use, appreciate, and overall just be able to make any games that they want freely without licensing, sorry, I can't say that, issues and whatnot. Like, with Unity, you had the price thing where it's like 20 cents. I know it's a bit like, I mean, it's 20 cents, like, bro, it's not that much. And plus, it's like, they only take it from you at a certain amount of money you make. But then again, it's my money, and plus, already Steam takes off 30%, so 30% over the 20, that's quite a lot of money that have been given to Unity and Steam, and less towards me, kind of. So, yeah, there's that. And I could have also used Unreal Engine, but that is... no. Too much graphics in that engine, man. It's so bloated. Like, the game that I'm making right now, it's Gary's Mod inspired. I don't want it to be like the next what game is made in Unreal Engine? Like, I can't think of one right now, but obviously I don't want my game to be too resource depending, because that's also another thing. I want my game engine to have it so that people from i3 CPUs to also be able to play my game and to enjoy it without lag. That is obviously gonna be difficult. 100%. There is no shot that it will not be. It is going to take a long time to be able to do that. But, I still believe, that I'm able to achieve this and work it out somehow. ChatGPT, a YouTube tutorial, anything, just anything that could, help me be able to make this possible. So, yeah, that's basically it for this devlog. And yeah, and I really want to go back into YouTube now. I quit after a while. I know I always say I want to come back to YouTube and then ghost you guys for 6 more months or something like that. But definitely, I really want to start getting back into YouTube. It's just that, what is there to even... I mean, yeah, I could do the devlogs, but... And I do have a planning sheet, but I'm not sure how well it's gonna be. And I don't know if people will be up to watching that stuff. It's not edgy stuff, of course. It's nothing too... not too bad, but like... I don't know if my audience would be like keen on watching those types of videos that I'm creating. So yeah, that I create in the future. Not creating. I haven't created anything yet. But yeah. Thank you again for watching this video, and I sure hope to see you in the next devlog once I implement physics and hopefully a bunch of other stuff too. So yeah. Thanks guys. Have a nice day.